Hi guys, John here at Donnelly Ford. Today I want to show you a 2024 Bronco Raptor in Shadow Black. Beautiful looking vehicle. It has 17-inch high gloss black wheels with 37-inch tires. It's got the running boards. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Let's check out the interior. Got non-slip running boards for your safety. On the interior here we have leather and suede seats. It's got heated steering wheel, heated seats, orange accents, just large infotainment center. Also wanted to point out we have the hardtop here with removable panels. Also wanted to mention that all 4 doors are removable if you want that open air experience. You've got a full-size spare on the back along with your backup camera, and you've got your Bronco badge. So if you're into adventure and you want a car that's capable of keeping up with your active lifestyle, check this one out here at Donnelly. Come see me, John, and discover the Donnelly difference.